everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla. I am the course instructor for this RESTful API services. So adding my overall 2 decades of experience by putting what real-time industry needs, how to make RESTful API methods which are get, post, put and delete major roles to creating CRUD operations using REST API services with the help of Django REST framework and Postgres SQL Server. We are created this course. Getting started. Introduction. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use practical sessions and write all the session code into your notebook. Practicing every session by making your internal computer development environment to make you master quickly in less time. How to get help. Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques to apply for your query and get the resolutions if any while you are practicing. Submit your questions on asking QA forum for details what you have tried with a screenshot of error code practiced by you. How to approach the course. It's a very important for beginners and who are start learning online courses. The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Following the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples on parts of video session and practicing with your own real world data and making own examples to writing your own code statements and RESTful API methods for your needs and requirements. So learning in this way, you will be success in very less time. Exercise and solution. You will be assigned a simple exercise overall this course, which is a test your skills based on your previous lectures. Anyhow, you will be provided a solution to understand how you need to crack this exercise. I hope you will do it. Thanking you.